if you are carry on here, if you're in a search for classic car, right? And if you want something which is completely remanufactured, right? Then you can turn down to what is it? Sundown's Brabus, right? And this is literally officially done by Brabus classic car team. It's fully remanufactured vehicle, as brand new. You know, if you would look on every little detail, is sort of done to perfection. I cannot open a door for you. If you can see the little details, the radio, the carpet, all the edges, you know, you can't knock everything. Everything is remanufactured, as you can see. All the standard areas around here is done to very good standard. So on that corner, obviously they got the Pagoda, right, and that one as well is remanufactured. So want a proper car? The price tag on this one, 630,000. Or you can look for something cheaper and balance it out on a cost when you're remanufacturing. So that's the classic car game.